it's your boy, Mr. Robson, aka STG, Son of the God, live in the flesh. Right now, we in a Honda Civic, and this is my first drive little test of the Honda Civic. Right now, we're in North Carolina, borderline to Tennessee, at the what?
Tail of the Dragon.
Tail of the Dragons, for real.
Yes, sir.
Always coming clutch. You can see it back there. I doubt y'all be able to see it, but it is back there. Tail of the Dragon.
Yeah, I might not be able to see. We gonna run into it because we basically like finna go into Tennessee, but we in North Carolina right now. So.
Indeed.
Yeah, I can kind of see that.
But without further ado, let's get straight to it. It ain't scary.
Yeah, man, I put that down there. Yeah.
Junk and drive, and we go.
Indeed, also.
It ain't scary.
We gotta go in there.
Got a lot of Porsches out here.
Indeed.
Supras,
got the Beam. Oh my God, them rims is tough. And he got that competition M3. Yes,
yeah,
Lord.
Having fun. It ain't scary.
But yeah, so we're gonna see how the Civic handles the Tail of the Dragon. Tail of the Dragon is one of the windiest roads in the U.S. And I feel like this will be a great drive to see if this car is actually worth the money.
Yeah, he want me to be all.
No, I don't.
I'm putting everything on him. We're gonna put it on Front Street and keep it 55th Street. You ain't scared.
Man, what? Man, what?
He want me to have fun. We might do a little song, but I really been sliding out here though, so I'm really all GG off it though.
Yeah, he hasn't really. Well, I guess you haven't driven in the real mountains.
Yeah.
But basically, these bends are literally like this is a dang near almost 90-degree road. So if you can see from my point of view, because we also got a GoPro recording, so y'all gonna be able to see a POV. But these roads is no joke.
Yeah,
like, you definitely gotta slow down.
Careful, brother.
And you got no guardrails, so you will fall off.
He loves this type of activity. Me, I'm more of a straight and narrow. Catch me in traffic, catch me outside. How about that? You don't escape. I'm gonna make it work. He likes this is his avenue, bro. He's a mountaineer, bro.
Indeed.
You really like the mountains, and I respect it, bro. This is not for everybody.
It really isn't.
It really isn't at all. But yeah. I respect it so good. Go ahead and get it. Tennessee Volunteer State welcomes you. He really clipped him, I think. He got him.
Yeah, we got him.
Speed limit 30. We keeping it 25. I'm psyched though.
We feeling the G-forces right now.
Nah, it is decent though. Like the handling for the vehicle though, I love it. The get up speed, I love it. We tap 100 so good, so with ease, for real.
Right, GTA. But yeah, it's actually pretty good though. You know what I mean? It's nice and like foresty as well. Like,
wow,
it's a very nice road. Big U-turn. Big U-turn.
He likes this.
Of course. This is actually, I'm feeling the, what you call the G-force. I'm actually happy. You're actually moving. Yes. Mr. SCG is moving.
That is gross.
That's it. Gross.
I be feeling like he be trolling me.
How are we trolling?
Because his definition of moving and my definition of moving is super different. He be moving.
Understand, this is
he
moving.
Be moving.
I could not move in this. This is crazy. I be going back this speed.
Nah, you be moving, brother. I seen you in 4K. I seen you.
You seen me when there's some big
roads. A lot of my viewers, a lot of your viewers.
When was the roads is windy?
I call him Mr. 140 for a reason. Understand that.
No.
Know this before you know anything. Look, now I'm federal. Now I'm federal. Bro, I really covered you so good though earlier though. I really had your back. I was finna slip and say, I said, wow. And I said, nah, for real, gang is good. He's in safe hands. All state. I'll never snitch on for real gang. Ever. They really gonna put me in a box for all eternity because I won't open up my lips. I'm gonna go mute. But you're gross though. We know. See, this is between the Stunner Nation, the family. We keep it all 100K. You ain't scared.
You ain't scared. He is recording.
He really gonna guess with the thumbs up.
Yeah, he was recording. I saw a big camera too.
I seen that in the video. They said they got people who take pictures for you, so it's all G.
Dang. Oh, that's much what I guess you pull back up and you have to pay.
Yeah, that's what he do. No, I think it's a website. You go to a website. We can look it up so easy. We'll be on the website in 4K. Now he's the feds. We're gonna talk about snitching. Ugh. These turns is tight.
Yes, this is what real driving is. This is what real driving is. I threw up the deuces on him. That's funny. Wow. Dang, Mother Deuce said she tried to call.
Wow.
No service. Can't do understand you.
Shout out to the mothers. You know, happy Mother's Day. I ain't get to get y'all for those.
Hey, happy Mother's Day.
Look how you looked up so fast. You felt it. Ah!
What you mean? I was trying to look at you.
He was like, what's going on up here?
Nah. I'm actually, this is exactly how my car felt. I wonder, is my car actually taking corners just way better? This looks good though. This is...
Brother,
this
I
is
was
good.
going hard in the paint to stay with you, brother. You don't understand. I had to sit up. I'm sit up right now. My seat is up.
Maybe you are nervous. Ew, imagine. But you're moving.
Up.
Like, this is really good. This doesn't seem terrible driving at all.
My seat super
that.
up.
Yeah.
That is nice, isn't it? Take it in, take it in, take it in.
Love it.
Pause. No, that was
Look
crazy.
At this kid. Man, it threw me in the seat. My legs really connected.
I got to. So
my kneecaps are hitting each other.
That is good. Clink, clink.
That is crazy.
You are a robot.
Right? Imagine it just, hey. Don't.
This is probably some nice footage, isn't
it? It's different.
God bless, man.
God bless America.
All y'all stay safe, man, because we staying alive.
This man doing one hand with it.
I'm illegal for that?
Nah, you are, but it's alright. It's
man,
not.
God bless.
I'm really getting thrown.
What was that funny?
I'm getting thrown
What was that funny right now, brother?
The cops up. Dang.
Yeah, he see those
because I'm getting thrown around.
He see those smiling too hard. He started breaking too. He's like, what's going on? Ew. Go ahead, have me accountable, dog.
How is he whipping it like that?
He is whipping. Wow.
Oh,
wow.
McLaren GT.
Wow.
Mustang.
Wow.
C8 Corvette also. Alright. Wow, it's a lot of whips. Got the FRS, got the Miata, got another. Is that ARC? No, it's Miata.
Wow.
M3, my Miata.
We just missed the party.
WRX.
They said we just missed the party.
I think they're going too slow. I think the truck in front actually was holding them up.
They would be acting stupid, wouldn't they?
Yeah, they know for acting stupid.
Round truck, game.
Then they said litterings 3,000. Get caught up. Don't get caught up. But yeah, how's it feeling for you though? Like, feel sturdy?
Yeah, I feel good.
I feel like this is definitely not.
I feel super.
I don't feel unsafe. I say it like that.
Yeah, I feel super good as long as I'm doing me. Now when I'm trying to,
but see that's
I ain't gonna. See, I'm done speaking on because you was trying to make me federal, and I'm far from federal. But when I was trying to stick and move with your boy, you know, Casper the Ghost, it was getting crazy. They said oil slow. What does that mean?
It might be some type of on the road for some reason.
It would be fake.
We can keep the camera straight.
Of course you can. That's good.
No, it's not. Dang, I'm getting nauseous.
You are?
Yeah, I just felt it. I just thought about it. Like, I'm like, hold up. That's really different. I see it now. Wow. But they say basically if you like passenger or like something in the back, they basically
feel
just,
it worse?
it makes you feel worse. I think because you're not driving, so it's like I'm unsuspected of what's going to happen. So, Cowboys getting car sick now when I was younger. You know, so annoying. So annoying.
What are you thinking though from your point of view?
This is cool. I'm actually impressed.
You like it, right?
Yeah, especially for this price point for this car.
Yeah, bro.
This is very good.
I am proud of my purchase 100%.
V was 4-cylinder.
And both of those were freaking 2005 and below. I think the Lexus was older than the Mercury, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Do you even have your seatbelt on?
I always have my seatbelt on, brother.
Look, I'm being federal again. No, because you are slotted crazy. You're not tucked in.
Now it's because, like, it's kind of like, if you're driving, you would be able to handle it because you know exactly what turn you're finna make.
Exactly.
Since I can't predict it. I'm literally just letting it go with the flow. I'm not trying to fight it. If I fight it, I'm gonna die for it. I'm already nauseous, so.
Using muscles and stuff. So how long are we going on this ride?
I don't know. You can turn around whenever you want now.
How long does it go for?
It goes for 11 miles, so.
What's good, YouTube, man? Smash that like button, hit the subscription button. As y'all can see, I'm currently editing the video. Y'all see this amazing setup. I am getting busy putting in the paint for y'all, so do me a favor, like the button if you enjoyed this POV. that was the end of the Teledragon video. That was my first drive, my first real drive for you guys with the Honda Civic EX hatchback 2021. Tell me how y'all liked it and y'all enjoyed it. Peace.